Andalou Naturals, Argan Stem Cells Style Creme, Thinning Hair Treatment, 5.8 fluid ounces, 172 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Fruit Stem Cell Science Fortifies, Amplifies, Strengthens, Conditions, Defines, Age-defying fruit stem cells, renew, repair, regenerate. Non-GMO Project Verified, verified, gluten-free, vegan and cruelty-free. Fruit stem cell science improves follicle longevity and vitality for healthy hair from root to tip. For smooth, natural styling with improved texture and control for all hair types, especially thinning hair. Conditions and restores damaged strands. Actively nourishes and strengthens to reduce breakage and encourage healthy growth. Suggested use. Apply evenly to damp hair. Gently comb through. Dry naturally or style blow dry. Color safe. Other ingredients. Aloe barbadensis juice, vegetable glycerin, cyamopsis, tetragonolobus, guar, gum, sodium alginate, algin, octyl palmitate, vitis vinifera, grape seed, and argania. Spinosa, argan, oils, fruit stem cells, argan, malus domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, vitamin B complex, biotin, thiamine, pyridoxine, niacin, riboflavin, and panthenol, glycerin stearate, cetyl alcohol, hair regeneration complex, tussilagofarfara, colt's foot, Achillea millefolium, yarrow, cinchona rubra, quinine bark, cysteine, glycosaminoglycans, spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, camellia sinensis, white tea, and hibiscus rosa-sinensis extracts, tocopherol, vitamin E, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, Cedrus atlantica, cedarwood, Cananga odorata, ylang ylang, and Eugenia carophilus, clove, oils. Certified organic. Fair trade. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.